Hello dear students, welcome to the video of Tick 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 Part 2. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia. But she can't eat, she is too small. And she does not even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. Here are some pages from Rani's diary. 5 March 2005. Munia is born today. 15 September 2005. Munia got her first tooth. 10 November 2005. Munia set off. 20 November 2005. Munia started crawling. 5 January 2006. Munia stood up. 5 September 2005. Munia ate a banana. 2 February 2006. Munia started walking. Mark these in the correct order on Munia's timeline. These are the pages from Rani's diary. This is the timeline. First, 5 March 2005. Munia was born. 5 September 2005. Munia ate a banana. 15 September 2005. Munia got her first tooth. 10 November 2005. Munia set up. 20 November 2005. Munia started crawling. 5 January 2006. Munia stood up. 2 February 2006. Munia started walking. This is the correct order on Munia's timeline. 12 months of the year. 1. January. 2. February. 3. March. 4. April. 5. May. 6. June. 7. July. 8. August. 9. September. 10. October. 11. November. 12. December. Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? Munia was born on 5 March 2005. She got her first tooth on 15 September 2005. We know that March is the third month of the year and September is the ninth month of the year. So, March is the third month, September is the ninth month. Thus, Munia was 6 months old till 5 September 2005. Now, there are 10 more days for 15 September 2005. Hence, Munia was 6 months 10 years old when she got her first tooth. 6 months have passed from March to September. How old was Munia when she first set up? Munia was born on 5 March 2005. She first set off on 10 November 2005. Her age by that time 5 March 2005 to 5 November 2005, 8 months and 5 days of November. She was 8 months 5 days old when she first set off. How old was Munia when she got her first tooth? Munia got her first tooth on 15 September 2005. Her age by that time 5 March 2005 to 5 September 2005, 6 months and 10 days of September. She was 6 months 10 days old when she got her first tooth. What did she do first? A. Walking or eating a banana. Munia started walking on 2 February 2006. She started eating a banana on 5 September 2005. 5 September 2005 comes before 2 February 2006. So, she started eating a banana first. B. crawling or standing. Munia started crawling on 20 November 2005. She started standing up on 5 January 2006. 5 January 2006 comes after 20 November 2005. So she started crawling first. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opens its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was a grown-up dog and got its own puppies. Now make a timeline of this dog's life. Timeline of the dog's life is given as follows. Born, after 2 weeks it opens its eyes. After 3 weeks it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks started walking around but still wobbling. In 7 months got full set of teeth. After 1 year full grown up and got its own puppies. Now see the timeline. This is the timeline of the dog's life. Note the differences between Munia and Rani's puppy. The difference between Munia and Rani's puppies is as follows. Started walking Munia after 11 months of her birth. Puppy after 1 month of its birth. Ate food for the first time. Munia 6 months after her birth. Puppy after 3 weeks of its birth. Got the first tooth. Munia 6 months after her birth. Puppy after 3 weeks of its birth. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Elephant Appu's grandfather, 95 years old. Chuchu Rat's grandfather, 2 years old. Rani's grandfather, 70 years old. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Elephant Appu's grandfather, 95 years old. Rani's grandfather, 70 years old. Difference between their ages, 95 minus 70 is equal to 25 years. Hence, Appu's grandfather is 25 years older than Rani's grandfather. Will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? No, Chuchu's grandfather will never grow as old as Appu's grandfather. How much younger is Chuchu Rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Chuchu Rat's grandfather 2 years old. Rani's grandfather 70 years old. Difference in their age 70 minus 2 is equal to 68 years old. Therefore, Chuchu Rat's grandfather is 68 years younger than Rani's grandfather. Write which dates these stand for. 556, 5 May 2006. 2056, 20 May 2006. 766, 7 June 2006. 117, 1 January 2007. Write these dates in numbers. 1 June 2006, 1606. 30 May 2006, 3506. 10 August 2007, 10807. On 15 May 2006, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe to eat. It was written on the packet best before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15/1/6. Help him find out if he should buy this butter or not. In which month was the butter packed? The butter was packed in the month of January. It was on 15th January 2006. Which month will it be? 180 days after 15 January 2006. We will calculate the days from 15 January 2006 like this. From 15 January 2006 to 30 June 2006, total 166 days. Another 14 days will be completed on 14th July 2006. Or 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 180 days is equal to 6 months. So 6 months after January is equal to July month. Can Chandran eat it on 15th May 2006? Yes, he can eat it on 15th May 2006. On a cough syrup, it was written manufacture date 7/3. This shows it was made in July 2003. Expiry date 7/5. This shows the month and year till when it is safe to take. Expiry date is written on all medicines. On a cough syrup, it was written manufacture date 7/3 and expiry date 7/5. This was manufactured in July 2003 and expiry date is July 2005. So it is safe to take this medicine before July 2005. What month and year is written as 7/5? 7/5 stands for July 2005. Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005? As we saw the expiry date written on the cough syrup in the example given above, it is not safe to take this medicine in September 2005. AM, PM. AM stands for antemeridiem, PM stands for postmeridiem. AM and PM both are used in 12-hour clock system. AM represents before noon or before midday. PM represents after noon or after midday. At AM, the 24-hour cycle starts at 12 midnight, indicated as 12 am, runs through 12 noon, indicated as 12 pm, and continues to the midnight at the end of the day. The 24 hours of a day divided into 2 time zones lasting 12 hours each. The first 12-hour duration runs from midnight to noon, 12 am to 12 pm, and designated by AM. Now, add AM to the end of the 24-hour time to make it 12-hour time. Time by 24-hour clock, time by your watch, 12-hour clock. 1 hour, 1 am, 2 hour, 2 am, like this. 5 hour, 5 am in the morning. 7 hours, 7 am. 10 hour, 10 am. Now add PM. The second 12-hour duration runs from noon to midnight, 12 pm to 12 am, and designated by PM. Add PM to the end of the 24-hour time to make it 12-hour time. Time by 24-hour clock, time by your watch, 12-hour clock. 13 hours is equal to 1 pm, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 14 hours, 2 pm, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 15 hours, 3 pm. Like this. 18 hours, 6 pm. 20 hours, 8 pm. 22 hours, 10 pm. 23 hours, 11 pm. Tutun missed the train. Tutun's school had closed for the summer holidays. He went to his grandma's place. He met a lot of his cousins there. He was enjoying himself and did not want to go back home. Tutun, pack your bag. The train leaves at 5:30 in the evening. Oh no, we are going back so soon. I wish we miss our train. Tutun and his parents reached the station at 5:15. But guess what? They had actually missed the train. Can you guess why they missed the train? Railway uses 24-hour clock time. The ticket shows the time as 5:30, means the train was in the morning and they reached at 5:15 in the evening. If it was in the evening, they would have returned as 17:30. Hence, they missed the train. Try to complete it. Time by your watch, 12-hour clock. Time by 24-hour clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 15 hours. 6 o'clock in the evening, 18 hours. 9 o'clock in the evening, 21 hours. 12 o'clock at midnight, 00 hours, that is 24 hours. Add 12 hours here to get the answer. Now can you tell why 24-hour clock is called so? We know that there are 24 hours in a day. So the 24 hours clock shows the time for the entire day. Therefore it is called as 24-hour clock. Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time written on the railway ticket would be dash. The train leaves at 8:30 at night. So the time would be 8:30 pm. Time written on the railway ticket is equal to 12 plus 8:30 is equal to 20:30. Where have you seen a 24-hour clock being used? 24-hour clock is used in railway station, airport, bus stand, etc.